Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Skimask dog token. Now this was a huge project yesterday. It's actually just a huge project in general. Now it got listed on like a ton of central exchanges yesterday. They have a giant market cap. It's been trending #1 on Dex Screener. Right now it's trending #3 in the base section. This is a base Memecoin. I actually thought I did a video on this token for some reason like a long time ago when it came out. And I did a video recently on Skimask Cat and Skimask Pepe. And I just assumed I already talked about Skimask Dog for some reason. And I checked and I guess I have not made a video on Skimask Dog. So here we are, talking about this gigantic project here, this huge meme coin on the base chain, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. You see it says CTO there, which means community takeover. So most likely the dev is out of the picture and this is run by the community. And even their webpage linked there, the flues.xyz says /ski_CTO. And they have a blue verified checkmark, 2,729 tweets, and 15,800 Twitter followers. They joined in April 2024. Their webpage is there, skimaskdog.com. And they have a Twitter community that you could join as well, called Skimask Dog, that has over 1,000 members in the community there. So check out the Twitter there. Now, if you're looking for the contract address for this token, you can easily find it on their webpage, which is linked right there. Now, this token yesterday got listed on just like a ton of central exchanges. So actually got listed today on some as well, too. So I see it got listed today, December 6th, on Bitmart. You can kind of just scroll through their tweets there. You're going to see all sorts of listings. Crypto.com tweeted about this new listing on Crypto.com. Now, that's a huge exchange. Basically everywhere you could think of, they got listed yesterday. Big one right here, Mexc Global. They got listed yesterday, 8:30 a.m. UTC time. So an easy way to get this token, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Ski, and then simply just buy the token. And yesterday they also got listed on Gate.io and LBANK, so just tons of huge central exchange listings. So Mexc Global, you can get it down there. It looks like they have merch. Skimask clothing drop #1 just posted 20 hours ago, and it's just, you know, a big shirt with the dog on it with the ski mask, and says ticker symbol ski on there. So yeah, pretty cool merch. Check that out on the Twitter here. And if you're looking for the charts, you can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, probably on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap as well. I mean, it is a huge project. And when I say huge, I mean huge. This token has a market cap of $305.1 million now. Right? Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $14 million. Today it was actually, you know, going crazy too, and I thought it would be a big dip today. You know, sometimes tokens, they do really well when they get a bunch of listings and then they kind of take a dip the next day. This one is just breaking even, basically. It's down 0.1% right now, which is basically even. But they are still getting new central exchanges as well, like the Bitmart one just happened. So still getting advertised that way. Now, trending number 3 on DEX Screener, just today they've had 13,253 transactions. They have $4.8 million in liquidity. And according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, you know a token is doing well when there's all sorts of spin-offs because of that token. And yesterday I posted the Skimask Pepe token. But there's a few other ones. If they are still doing well, you'll see those videos posted today of these new tokens that are exploding because of the popularity of Skimask Dog. Now, Skimask Cat was one of them. Just a cat with a pink mask on. Check out that video. But that one was created on Moonshot and then was just doing very well after that because of this one. So token price for the Skimask Dog token is 30.6 cents per token. And this token pair was actually created 7 months, 27 days ago. So it's not a brand new token, but it is doing insanely well. And their community takeover is not new either. That actually happened, according to DEX Screener, April 9th, 2024. The mask stays on. The mask dog is based. And they have the Telegram. You can follow that at @skionbase_CTO. 4,404 subscribers. It says, we're taking over base. There's a new dog in town and the mask stays on. If you go to the webpage, you're going to find a TikTok, an Instagram, contract address, a button to buy. So you can also get this token off of Uniswap. They do have a how to buy on their webpage too as well. You can follow those steps, but in a nutshell, you just need a wallet, like a Coinbase wallet would be fitting for base tokens, but you can use a MetaMask Trust wallet. Fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you can fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. Then you'd go into the dApps, find Uniswap. Using the contract address you could find on their webpage, skimaskdog.com, you would trade your Base for the Ski token using that contract address. Now we could check to see if there's taxes here, because you might have to set slippage. No taxes, it says. So 0% buy and sell taxes. You won't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees though. And yeah, and then Mexc Global is an easy way too. So check that out down there. Now, right now, this token has 120,168 holders. That is an insane amount of holders. Over 120,000 holders, and there's 4 different liquidity providers in Uniswap right now. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. I'm going to be posting some other base tokens today, so stay tuned for those. Talking about B Money in the next video. B Money, aka Brett. That one's got over a $6 million market cap. It's a base token based off of Brett, his rap character. So check out that video I'm posting today. It's base season all of a sudden. There's tons of base tokens doing very well. Saint token, I posted that one yesterday. Check that one out. And yeah, subscribe. Hit the like button if you want to help support the channel. You could hit the join button and become a member. Thanks to all the people who have recently become members of the channel. Check out the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one where Skimask Dog just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.